Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope this video finds you well. So we visited Birds of Paradise NGO last week and it was amazing. The entry ticket per person is 200 on weekdays and 250 on weekends. You have to book the tickets online and there is no entry if you go without booking the tickets online. The best part is that you get to learn so much about these cute animals and you get to pet them and hold them under supervision. So we held some breed of rats, not exactly rats, but they were termed as something I basically forgot by now. And then you have rabbits. This was egg of an ostrich in incubation. All the animals were pretty active, as I noticed. That shows that they've been taken care of. There were many types of birds and doves and pigeons. Majority of them were either incubating eggs or were trying to make eggs. This was one angry bird. There were dogs, cats. The guides were very friendly and apparently they work as volunteers in this organization on week ends. So if you would like to volunteer and take care of animals, you can also approach them and you can work there as well. So apparently the cocks, the Badminton cocks, are made from the feather of this duck. Basically the tail of this, the corks are made from the tail of this bird. These were one special bird. So basically what he's trying to say is if you approach the female hides behind the male and the male attacks. And if you approach the male directly, the male is going to attack you. And this was a baby goat who was just a week old. There were many types of goats, mountain deers and stuff. He was trying to show that he has no teeth. Apparently they have no teeth on upper jaw. And I did not know that. These ostriches were wild, literally so wild. We were asked to keep a 2-meter distance. And then I really didn't know they'd actually let us in to meet these birds. These are not ostriches. I forgot the name of them as well. And we were actually given instructions on how to approach them, how to pose with them, how to take pictures with them. Okay, so he's basically showing how it's done. You first block their way. You gently massage their neck and then forehead to forehead touch, and then you can pose with them. We took many pictures and none stopped in front of me basically, and look at me circling around with the bird. I was trying to block him but couldn't. Okay, now this guy was one angry man. And this is his wife who was very friendly. Very soft skin. And these were donkeys. Apparently they are very clean creatures, very smart creatures who often do sand bathing and keep themselves neat and clean. Raccoons. And I actually thought they were capybaras, but apparently they're not. And look at these. This was the reptile zone. We touched a few reptiles. That's my mama and dad at the back. Its skin was rough and soft. Don't know how to term it. And then this guy right here, his tail so long. His skin was very rough, guys, and that's a snake. That's a ball python. It's not venomous, and that's my mom trying to get rid of her fear of snakes. Dad did pretty well as well, and that's me. Look at me trying to pet the snake with the thumb. Lol. pretty cute. The kids are not given snakes to hold for simple reasons of safety. And this was the biggest issue. We actually visited the NGO to see birds because apparently they come to your hand and all that. But then it was late already, so they were all back to their nesting positions. We got the last slot from 4:30 to 6:30. By the time we took a tour of other animals and came to the birds last, they were all back to sleep. We did request them, like, why didn't you guys show us the birds first? But apparently, if you see the birds first, the reptiles are gonna get wild with the smell of birds on your hand. So that was about the NGO. And then college is going on well, and this is me story writing a random story. English. Me and Anjana made a random story of fantasy and stuff, and I'm just jotting it down. Okay, we get amazing peri peri momos near the PUC block. I got these, and then Anjana and Heba almost died eating them. They could not swallow them down. I was the one who was just fine. I'm gonna keep feeding that to them.
So all the names and all.
And then we had Com Power, guys. Listen to me speak stuff about it. Hi guys! So we had the Com Power today. It was announced like a few days back that we'll have the Com Power, but it got rescheduled to today. So we had to pay a 50 rupees registration fee for it, and then we had it today. So basically, what is Com Power? It's like HR/PR session, that is human resources and public relations. So what they do is they send you a case study. You are supposed to analyze it, find the issues in it, and basically you are the PR team. You represent the company's brand, company's reputation. So you're supposed to protect the company no matter what. So what you have to do is do three things. First of all, write a press release which you are going to be circulating among the media. You are going to be making a PPT as well, and then you have to go and present it to the judges. The judges were the previous year's heads or secretaries of the Commerce Association. Yes, they were amazing. Okay, not gonna lie, we are the first year, so we didn't really know how it's done and all that. But then it was so hard. Like, we weren't able to speak a lot. We prepared like, okay, we were paired in a team of two. So I was with Alia, and we made a whole 2 hour session. Like, we took 2 hours to prepare a whole speech about how we are gonna say and what are we gonna do and what are the questions they are gonna possibly ask. Okay, they did ask the questions we predicted, but we couldn't give the answers we made because they didn't give us time to answer. They basically look at you, ask a question, you breathe, and then they ask another question. That's how it goes. Apparently it's worse in other colleges when you go to festing. In the festing events, it's like more harder. So today was amazing. Definitely not gonna win. Okay, almost stopped the mic again. Yes, so we're definitely not gonna win, but we did have a good experience. We now know the importance of the PowerPoint, not PowerPoint. We used Canva for presentation. It was the first or second time me using that. The fact that you just need to have pointers and not a whole paragraph. That's the first thing I understood from today's session. This is the case study that we were presented, Cinamide Infanticide. and right after that we made a PPT and a press release. Anjana and Hibawe teamed up together and they made separate PPT. Oh, you did.
One second.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hi guys. What did I say? Hi guys. So we had Compa yesterday, and we were given a case, and we were supposed to present it in front of the judges. We had deliverables like PPT and press release statement, and our case was about the Dairy Bell Co Limited. We presented our statement. We were kind of bullied, like because we were fresher, but it was fine.
Bullied. Maybe they were just going a little too hard on us.
Yeah.
We're first timers, so not exactly much experience, but it was fun. We learned a lot. So yeah, they didn't even give us enough time to present our case. They just started, bombarding us with questions.
Yeah, but preparation of the PPT and the press release, we just had like 25 minutes. We were pretty, yeah,
Even less than
that probably. We were like pretty clueless. We somehow made our presentations, our PPT, but press release, I don't think we were able to complete it on
Yeah,
time.
we-
Yep.
So yeah, that's about it. One second.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm here to clarify the bullying part. They did not bully us. It's just how it goes. That's how it's supposed to go. Apparently, in other colleges and festing and all that, it's more worse, and people come out crying because that's how they ask the questions, right? So they didn't bully us because we are new to it. So we didn't know how it goes. So it was very fun. Yes, they didn't bully us, guys. It was
Fun.
fun.
Experience.
Yeah, it was a good experience. It was a good experience, right?
Yes, it was actually.
Yes, it was good. Bye. That's it for this vlog, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye. And also, these people play Sudoku in the class.